time to remove the old backsplash and get ready for the new. Let's get her done. We listened to you, our viewers, and made our choice. Which do you think it was, A or B? Stay tuned. It's like Christmas. And the winner is? There she is, finally. Option B. Got to get the new backsplash installed. So let's get started. First things first, removing the old stick-on tile. Well, some of the wallpaper's peeling, but there's not much I can do about it. So this side is done with minimal damage. On to this side. This side seems to be coming off much easier. I really think this is a job for Bob. Now we just got the back left. She's all off. I'm not a fan that the wallpaper came off, but it's all good. While taking down the old backsplash yesterday, I checked my range fans filter, and I wish I had taken a picture of it. It was black. So I cleaned it and I'm ready to reinstall it. It made me think of the fifth wheel as well, and I checked those, and we cleaned all filters yesterday too. So it's a good reminder for all of us RVers and homeowners. Check those vent fan filters. So important. She is back in place, looking pretty. And now to get these walls sanded. So we decided to put 3 sheets together before cutting them.
Walls too.
Yeah, before we put them on the wall, and then we should get the exact measurement. And we found Windex helps give you a little bit of room for adjusting. Looks good. Now we're going to lay them in the sun to dry. Bob measures the exact length and puts a straight edge on each end using a very sharp utility knife. Bob's taping the seam where the 2 sheets of tile line up together. So they don't pull apart when we install them.
This will help that here too.
Mm-hmm.
All right. 22 and what?
13/16. You sure it was 22 or wasn't it 25?
It was.
You just checking the checker?
It's doing the checking, yep.
I didn't know there was going to be a test involved. Should I go measure again?
No, we got a bulge here though. I don't know what that'll do. So what I'll do is I'll measure it first, then when I cut it, I'll put this on.
And should I find a straighter piece? After getting an exact measurement and doing a test fit, Bob puts a straight edge on the other end. Moment of truth. Does she fit?
She's got a big old bubble in her.
Does she?
Afraid of that. I don't know if this whole thing will go in here.
After first dry fitting the tile, Bob sprays some Windex on the bottom section of the wall to give him a little wiggle room for adjusting the tile before it permanently sticks to the wall. Now to cut the tile along the trim line. Do you want your straight edge?
I don't know if I can get it in here, babe. That's the problem.
Bob adds a straight edge to the final section of wall tile. It helps to have a roller on hand to work out any bubbles that may be underneath the tile. The instructions on the package said that customers found using Windex helped with adjusting the tile so it wouldn't adhere immediately. We were a little concerned to use Windex, so we used it sparingly, but it didn't affect the adhesion at all. Once the Windex dries, it adheres beautifully. I'm liking it. So is Bob.
Yes, yes.
Great job, babe.
Thank you. Back at you.
Before and after. Please know this is not a how-to video. We're just sharing our experience. We appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. God bless and have a great day.